Today is a very special day because we have officially hit 5K subscribers. And this is a very big milestone for me. I am truly grateful to all of you. And this is my first channel in my life where I have been able to achieve such a big number. And all this has been possible because of all of you. So thank you. We are not stopping here. There is still a long way to go. So keep supporting me and I will provide you with better content. Anyways, I posted a community post where I asked you what you wanted at 5K subscribers, and most votes went to the giveaway. So in this video, I will give you a giveaway that includes overlay, GFX pack, fonts pack, and for the Alight motion user, shake, transition, effects, CC pack, you will get all these in this file. Download it and enjoy it. So I will see you in another video. Take care and keep supporting.